In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a $5,000 an hour website with Modulify AI Website Builder. We'll walk through building a professional site using an AI website builder so you can go from blank page to live, polished website fast. First, head to durable.co and click Build a Website. Create your account with either your email or your Google login. There's no credit card required to try it, which makes this a low-risk way to get started. Next, let the AI do the heavy lifting. Enter your business type, like virtual assistant, bakery, or cleaning service. You can add a location if you serve a specific area, but it's optional. Then click Generate Website. In about 30 to 60 seconds, the builder drafts a complete site for you, including a homepage, services, about, and contact page, plus images and written copy. Think of this as your starting point that you'll refine to match your brand. Now let's edit the site. Click Edit to customize. For text, click on any paragraph or headline and type your own content. If you want a quick polish, use Rewrite with AI to adjust tone or clarity while keeping your message aligned. For images, click an image and choose Replace. You can upload your own photos or generate AI images. Aim for a consistent style and make sure visuals support your offers. From there, tailor the design. Adjust colors, fonts, buttons, and layout sections to match your brand identity. Upload your logo and set your brand style so it carries across the entire site. Keep contrast strong for readability and choose fonts that are clean and accessible. Add any extra pages or sections you need by clicking Pages. Common additions include a blog, FAQ, gallery, pricing, and a contact form. This helps visitors find answers quickly and gives you space to showcase work, explain your process, and collect inquiries. Optionally, turn on built-in business tools. Durable includes a CRM to manage leads, invoicing to get paid, and appointment booking to schedule calls. Enable only what you need so your setup stays simple and focused. When you're ready, click Publish. You can use a free Durable subdomain to go live instantly, or connect a custom domain if you're on a paid plan. After publishing, test your links and forms to confirm everything works. Finally, check mobile. Sites are mobile responsive, but preview on your phone and adjust spacing if needed so buttons and text feel comfortable. Wrap up with SEO and settings. Edit page titles, meta descriptions, and your business info so search engines understand your site. If you're on a paid plan, connect Google Analytics to track visitors and performance. And that's it. Your site is live, polished, and ready to work for you.